Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I've been in Poundland. Yes, I've been in Poundland again. I can't seem to get away from the place now. This is just a little mini haul today, so I did pick up a few things and I wanted to share them with you. I was going to leave it, but I have got a few little cute things that I wanted to share. So let's get into the video. Right, first off, obviously you know summer's coming to an end and they're getting rid of a lot of garden stuff, etc. And I was going to go to B&Q to get some of the, you know, the weed control membrane that you put down before you put bark on the top. But lucky for me, they had loads in Poundland. So these were £1 each and I got 5. So this is the weed control fabric. This sort of stops the light getting through, stops the weeds from growing through. So I picked up 5 of those. So brilliant end of season stuff. They didn't have loads left and I got myself 5. That was those. I planted some of the bulbs as well the other day, so I thought I'd pick up another couple of packs. These are going to come up next spring, so they'll be lovely as well, and they'll keep coming up every year because they are bulbs. So I picked up another couple of those for the front garden. So I got those as well. They do have loads of different choices as well, so it's really good. I'd go and have a look and they've literally got loads of different choices. So that was that. Then I collected one of these Just Right Beauty tissue face mask. Tissue face mask with, can I say that or what? Tissue face mask with vitamin C. Okay, yeah, so it's got the lovely Jess on there. It's another face mask itself, like that, a tissue one, and yeah, got vitamin C in it, so hopefully it'll make me look youthful and radiant. So I thought I'd try that. So that's obviously, she has her own range of stuff, so you can get like facial wipes and stuff as well in her range, but I don't really use stuff like that, so I just thought I'd pick up the mask. Next up, I picked up a nail polish, and yes, this is not the same colour as last time. So this is like a pink shade, can you see that? This is in the colour pink raspberry, so it's a nice pink colour, look lovely on the toes. But yeah, I picked that one up, so that can go in my Poundland collection. So also from Poundland, I picked up one of the blusher brushes just to add to my collection as well. This is the one with the glitter in the bottom. That looks like that. Ones with the glitter. Sorry, you're getting a lot of reflection on the plastic, but this is a blusher brush. It's slightly tapered at the top there. So I picked another one of those up, which I thought was really nice. And then also they had some MUA stuff, which I thought was lovely. So I picked up, let me just open this because I'm not liking the reflection that's going on here. Let's get rid of the packet. So there's some MUA sort of eyeshadows there. They're kind of shimmery. They look like that. I thought they were really nice, sort of golds and browns. Sort of my kind of colours, to be honest. It is sealed, so I'm not going to do a swatch test, but yeah, I picked those up and they were brilliant for £1. I picked up some Haribo sweets because we are going to the cinema tonight, and to buy them out the cinema is an absolute fortune, so always get your sweets beforehand. So yeah, I got some of these gold bears for me and Sam to eat at the cinema. And then last but not least, and this one isn't from Poundland, this one from Sainsbury's, is that I wanted some of this pink stuff. Now I thought you could only buy this from a pound stretcher, but I popped into the Morrisons where I was, and luckily enough they do it from Sainsbury's. So if you want this, you can buy it from Sainsbury's, and it is 99p. So yeah, I got some of that because I am going to do an oven clean with my Oven Bright, which I got last week's video. If you remember, I will leave a link above, but yeah, I'm going to be doing a video on that, so look for that one in the next week or so, and I'll be using the pink stuff to do some of the good cleaning for the glass and everything. So I got myself some pink stuff. Right, so that's everything for this haul. Yes, I know it was a little mini one, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my link here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!